Hey guys, Dan here. Today we're looking at 3 great stocks to grab today. We put out stock videos every week and are having a 100 subscriber giveaway, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's take a look at the 3 stocks that are a great grab right now. Number 1, Capital Power, ticker CPX, is a power producer providing energy to many areas across Canada and the United States. It's nicely diversified across coal, natural gas, wind, and solar. The current dividend is 7.25%. CPX is playing a critical role in the current market, and because they aren't solely tied to the oil industry, they're a great company to squirrel away some money in. Number 2, Canadian Natural Resources, ticker CNQ. Currently offering a seductive dividend of 9%, CNQ is one of the largest oil producers in the country. With roughly $5 billion in cash available, the company has stated that it is positioned well for the current coronavirus situation. It's noteworthy that CNQ is actually able to increase its dividends during the 2008 financial crisis. With crude oil being on the rocky side of things, this does carry some risk, but it's inevitable that the oil will see a rise over the next year, making now a great time to lock in this high dividend. Number 3, Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker BNS. This bank has had a very nice recovery over the last few weeks, but is still sitting down 30% from its 52-week high. With a 6.78% dividend yield and a discounted valuation, it's a no-brainer to lock this down. The bank seems well placed to come out of the current crash, mostly because of its great fundamentals and diversified earnings. This stock also never cut its dividends during the 2008 financial crisis, which without question was worse for the banks. Well guys, that was your 3 great stocks that you can grab today. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos and hit that subscribe button for more great content in the future. Till next time, thank you for watching. This has been Dan, and stay smart.